Oh Jesus, this is so hard to control. Okay. Oh shit. That's not good. Okay, we're back for some more speed runs. This time I've taken the prop guards off. So I've stripped it right down. I'm keeping this on at the moment because I want to try and protect that gimbal. But apart from that, we're just going to see how fast we can go. There is a lot more wind today. It's actually quite gusty. So we're going to see what top speed we can get. Obviously, it's a bit false when there's a lot of wind, but let's have some fun, see how fast we can get with it today. Okay, we're in manual. Let's take it up to 26. Let's go 26 degrees. So manual takeoff. Start recording. Now the wind I think is coming from the coast, so in the opposite direction to this, so this way. Let's see straight away how fast we can go. It's a bit all over the place. And we're getting like high 15s there, I think. Hard to look at that little meters per second display while I'm trying to hold on to it in the wind. Jesus, that is windy. So windy. Flying straight is the challenge today. Okay, let's go. $16, $17. We had a 17 there. There we go. We've got a low battery warning. Oh. Whoops. Now, if you are going to use one of these guards that clip on, just be careful whenever you crash, or a lot of the times when you crash, they pop off. So I've nearly lost this a couple of times already. So when you order one, order 5 because they're like $1 each. Okay, new battery pack. Let's have another little play. 27 degrees. Manual. Motor starting. $17.8, I think that was. Wonder if I can get 18. So I reckon if I actually fly a little bit higher, then I won't have to worry so much about hugging the road. We might be able to get even faster speed. So, oh Jesus, this is so hard to control. Okay. Oh shit. That's not good. All right, so we've just lost her. I think I'll have to go for a walk see if I can find it. If I go in here, this should show me where it is, because I can device disconnected. This is going to be a good interesting lesson now. Okay, DJI Fly. Okay, so the drone is down. I just don't know where it's down, so we've got to try and find it. I've turned on, I've connected, as you can see, I've got a cable from the goggles going to the phone, and this is actually showing me a location. So here, so we need to now go see if we can get to it. It doesn't seem too far away, and actually I can hear it beeping. This is hopefully a good story. Look how close it is. I thought it was in like over there somewhere. The drone. No, don't pack off. Don't power off. I am so lucky. shit. Okay, it just disappeared. The drone is here somewhere. Fuck. Where are you? There it is. We have found it. Look. Result. Result. That could have been so much better. Worse. So we are so lucky we found the drone. So basically what I've done is, let me show you, because I was panicking because the battery was going and everything. Thought I was gonna struggle to find it, but it could have been in the bush right over there somewhere. But luckily it was pretty close, easy to get to. I found it just as it was going off. It just stopped beeping. What a result. Okay, so let me show you what I've done. Okay, somehow, some miracle, we've found it. This works really well. So I just quickly checked online how you do it. You connect a cable, so the cable from here through to your phone, open the DJI app. So you go into device management once you've plugged in, and then press find my drone, and then it shows you on a map where the drone is. Luckily it was still on, but I think it would have shown its last location anyway, and because it was talking to the goggles, it got all the information from the goggles and would have just shown me its location. But it really helped because it was beeping, and I'm assuming it started beeping because I accessed the Find My Drone function on the DJI Fly app. So let's stick a new battery in, check it still flies okay. We're going to fly down, have a look at the rubbish, come back, but an eventful day. All right. Let's keep it low, don't want to go back in the bush again. Oh, so windy. What is this? Exercise equipment. Whee, we nearly hit it. There's so much junk down here. Really sad actually, because a beautiful location. But every time I'm coming every couple of days, and there's more and more shit being put down here. Every day. Jesus, that was close. Oh, don't go back in the bush, Paul. This wind is crazy. Alright, I'm actually gonna call it. Whoops, that was so heavy. Don't land like that, Paul. Okay, I'm going to call it. That was really fun. In a lucky way, we got the drone back. It's not lost. Survived another day. Another reason to make sure you got that DJI Care, because if I did have to replace the drone, it would be very cheap. Let me know if you have any questions. Speak to you in the next one.